Controller drift can be a frustrating issue for gamers, but there are several methods to help minimize or eliminate it. Follow these steps to address the problem effectively. Step 1. Check for firmware updates. Ensure your Xbox Series X controller has the latest firmware. Connect your controller to the console or PC, go to the settings, and check for any available updates. Step 2. Clean the controller. Dust and debris can cause stick drift. Use a soft cloth and some isopropyl alcohol to gently clean around the analog sticks and buttons. Make sure to let it dry completely before using it again. Step 3. Adjust dead zones. In the Xbox settings, navigate to the controller settings and adjust the dead zones for the analog sticks. Increasing the dead zone can help reduce the sensitivity and mitigate drift. Step 4. Reset the controller. If the drift persists, try resetting the controller. Press and hold the small button on the back of the controller until the Xbox logo turns off, then turn it back on. Step 5. Contact support. If none of the above steps work, it may be time to contact Xbox support for further assistance or consider getting a replacement if the controller is still under warranty. By following these steps, you can effectively address controller drift and enhance your gaming experience.